everyone. It's a brand new day, a brand new chance to learn. I am Ma'am Rohania and I am very excited to bring you today's lesson. So pick up your pen, your notebook, and your self-learning module. Let us start learning and studying the types of communication. Do you communicate every day? Yes, you do. We communicate every day. There is never a day that we do not communicate. It could be a group discussion, a Facebook status update, or a dinner conversation with someone, or maybe a small talk with a family member. So in this case, it is necessary for you to understand the concept of speaking in a variety of communication situations. In today's lesson, we will talk about speech context and its types. What is speech context? What are its types? Let us begin by watching this short clip.
Hello? Hello, can I speak to Sally, please? Speaking. Hi, this is Hannah. Hi, Hannah. What's up? Kate is sick. That's too bad. How about going to see her? That's a good idea. What time shall we meet? How about at 2? Sounds good. Let's meet at the bus stop. Okay, see you then.
Is there a communication in this video? Yes, you are right. There is a communication because communication is done when there is an understanding of the message being conveyed. According to the Veto, context refers to the setting in which the communication takes place. Context helps to establish meaning and can influence what is said and how it is said. In other words, speech context helps you communicate appropriately and respond accordingly. Why? Because the meaning of the message sometimes depends on how the message is delivered given the different circumstances. Take a look at this picture. How can you describe the man in this picture? Yes, you are correct. The man in this picture is talking to himself in the mirror. And this is what we call interpersonal communication. Interpersonal communication refers to a type of communication that is focused on one person, where the speaker acts both as the sender and the receiver of the message. Just like the picture I've shown you earlier. There are times when we let ourselves be engaged with other people, just like our friends or a family member. So try to look at this picture. How many people are involved in this picture? Okay, you are right. There are 2 people involved in that picture. And that is what we call interpersonal communication. Interpersonal takes place between and among people and creates a personal relationship between and among them. Normally, it includes 2 individuals. There are 2 types of interpersonal communication. The first one is the direct communication, a communication that happens between 2 people. So take a look at this comic strip. Is there a communication between them? Correct, there is. How many persons involved? You are correct. There are two people talking to each other. What do we call that kind of communication? Okay, very good. That is what we call dyad communication, a communication between two people. How about this kind of picture? Do you notice how many people are there? Yes, you are correct. There are 5 persons involved in the conversation. That is the second type of interpersonal communication, which we call small group communication. This applies to interaction involving at least 3 but not more than 12 people engaged in face-to-face interactions to achieve the desired goal. The third type is the public communication. It enables you to send or deliver a message before a crowd. What can you say about this picture? Okay, very good. The man is delivering his speech to the crowd. What type of communication is that again? That is an example of public communication. Mass communication, on the other hand, is the fourth type of communication. This refers to communication through television, radio, newspaper, magazine, books, billboards, the internet, and other types of media. Look at this picture. Is this an example of mass communication? Yes, you are correct. An advertisement in a television is an example of mass communication. So, those are the 4 types of communication that could be done in various speech contexts. In different situations or circumstances, we just have to behave appropriately and respond to it accordingly. Why? Because communication without understanding could lead to miscommunication. And that is all for today. Thank you for listening.